great tips about how to make money online that anyone can use. There are so many ways that you can earn money that it is no surprise that earning money online has become so popular. Over the years, the number of online businesses and entrepreneurs looking for work has greatly increased. You can easily get started working online by viewing the great tips below. If you can write, sites like Squiddo or InfoBarrel may be helpful to you. Both sites place ads on your site and split the revenue with you. Also, the opportunities from tie-ins through Amazon's affiliate program provide even more income. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and pay-per-post. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Are you a good salesperson? Look into becoming an affiliate. In this line of work, you will earn money each time you sell a product that you have agreed to endorse. After joining an affiliate program, you will get a referral link. From there, you can begin selling products, either on your own website or on someone else's site. Working online has never been easier. All you need is the right advice on hand, and you will see that earning the extra money you have been missing is not as hard as you may think. Just use everything you've just learned and keep watching for more online advice to ensure you earn more money. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.